To get started surfing, you're going to need a surfboard. Virtually every surf shop in the world now rents surfboards. So if you just want to give it a try, just get one for the day or for the week and see how it goes. Or if you know you're going to stick with it, you can go out and buy your first surfboard. Now, as a first board, everyone needs a longboard. They're the board to learn on. They're at least 9 feet long, between 9 and 10 feet long, and they're going to be between 2.5 and 3.5 inches thick. And this will give good flotation and good paddling, because that's the hardest part about surfing, is paddling around catching waves. Standing up's real easy. Do it all the time. But you're going to want a good surfboard that'll help you get in and out through the surf. And you can buy surfboards at surf shops, and nowadays you can even buy them online. Virtually all surf companies now have their own websites, so you can buy surfboards that way. And you can ask questions, and they'll get back to you, and they'll tell you the thickness and the length, and they'll give you some advice. And they're usually right on. You can trust these guys.